Traders, a quick introduction to our TradingView indicators and strategy. Looking at the euro dollar, just gone back 12 signals, and I'm just going to show you the results of this back test. Very quickly, we have 3 indicators now. This one giving us this shaded background. This gives us 6 higher time frames trend, and from here onwards we have a confluence bearish. This indicator gives us 6 higher time frames. It's trend sentiment, complicated coding in this indicator, but it's looking at not the trend but the sentiment. And when 6 time frames have a strong bearish sentiment, we get a red color across the board here, as you can see. And then this one down here is giving us 5 time frames, and this is trend momentum. Let's keep it simple. What we want is a signal, whether it's a sell or a HTF down triangle, in close proximity or within this red zone. And when all of these give us a confluence, in other words, this one's red across the board and this one's red across the board. So here we had a sell signal. These were red across the board. We had the red background, okay? Sell signal, red across the board, and the red background. So we take these trades. We can take this one step further and have a look at these on a 4-hour time frame. And what we're looking for on the 4-hour time frame is the pullback into the mean. So if it's overextended on the 4H, we might not take the trade. And we won't trade Monday. So you can see these are pretty good. Tight stop above the previous high in the cloud. Okay, there's another signal here. Again, looking for the opportunity when these are red and we get the signal, or there's a sell signal and these two are red across the board. Right, and we ignore any of the other signals. For example, this sell signal here, well, we don't take it because it's not backed up with the other indicators. And this one, well, this is Monday, and we don't trade Monday through the Asian session. See, and Monday you're generally going to get a pullback, right? So that's a no-go. We don't touch that one. This is Asian session Monday, and I mean, if it's a bearish trend, what you're going to find happens on a Monday, if that's bearish, we'll get the open and would generally see a run on liquidity, the high of the day, and then we get the trend. Yeah, that pulled back fairly aggressively actually, and then we got some continuation with it. We don't touch these as we do not have the confluence down in here. We've got a mix of green and red, so these don't count. Guys, you can gain access to the indicators. This week, they're heavily discounted. I mean, some of these will be a good signal if this indicator's red, but we don't have the confluence like we do here. I mean, you can take these, but I prefer to wait until, we get full confirmation. The indicators are heavily discounted at the moment, and all I'm asking is you to shout me out to Sushi Train once a month, okay? $29.95, but that's not going to last, guys. They're going to be going up to $49.95 very soon. So if you want to lock that in, take up the free trial or go straight in and join as a full member on our website, TradingWithAnthony.com. You'll see the indicators and the other free trial link. But yeah, you can see these signals. Well, in this case, gave us a 12 out of 12, the last 12 signals on the euro dollar. This one here, actually I mentioned earlier, we're looking for the 4-hour pullback, and that's part of the strategy that we cover in our mentorship videos. Is we don't take a trade when it's overextended on the 4-hour time frame. We prefer the pullback into the mean or into equilibrium. Now, if you did take this trade down in here, a tight stop is not going to work, and you want to have a look at a couple of other things as well. So we go into that. There's an imbalance on the 30-minute time frame running through here, and that's a target for this to trade back in and rebalance. Anyway, we cover all that in our mentorship videos. And then we got another sell signal here, which was quite nice, and that gave us that. This one here, this is Friday. Late Friday, guys, and I don't trade late Friday through the New York session. Why? It's the same thing as Monday, right? So we don't take this trade. It's the same thing as Monday. Friday, it's the candle I'm talking about, bearish, right? The end of the day, we trade down. Okay, there's the open. There's the run on liquidity. There's the low of the day. well. And then we get the pullback, we get the Friday pullback, and usually a Monday pullback as well. Friday, Monday, we get that, and that's what we've got here. Now, today's Monday, and now this is Monday through the Asian session. I haven't touched this. Monday through the London session, and I haven't touched this. We're heading into the New York Open in a couple of hours. So on Monday, I'll be looking to start trading into the New York session, not the Asian and London. Monday's late trading, and Friday I won't open trades into the New York session. We look to wind down. So this is a no-go Monday there. See the pullback I was talking about? But yeah, I mean, look, 12 out of 12, if we followed the rules with these trades, guys, that was a tight stop. But if you go for, a bit of a wider stop, different outcome. Okay, gain access. Now, these are going to go up to $49.95 a month. We've got more than the indicators. We have Forex and crypto signals in Telegram, and we have a full trading course that involves daily mentorship videos that are uploaded into VIP. And of course, you gain access to the indicators. So head over to the website and either go for the indicators. That'll give you instant access to the indicators, or the free trial will give you access in 14 days when billing kicks in. You don't get charged up front for the free trial. At the moment, guys, as I said, it's Sushi Train lunch for me once a month, but that's going to go up to 2 lunches after that, $49.95. And I'm thinking sometime this week it'll be going up. So if you lock this in now, you're going to gain the benefit of the discount. Okay, guys, that's the euro dollar and using our indicators and strategy.